Akanksha, any luck in getting a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, we tried to get inside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, but we were not allowed. We'll try and get a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party ministers.
You know, for viewers who are joining a broadcast, they must get a sense of this arrogant behavior and undemocratic behavior by the Aam Aadmi Party. As we speak, why don't you walk across to the gate that is behind you and let's see what the guard tells you. So while we are discussing the aspects of this case, Operation Black Dollar, you must, take a few steps back to the gate. I can see the gate behind you. Let's try and enter the Aam Aadmi Party. We are only doing what has been done for so long. When there is a story broken, the party concerned, in this case, the Aam Aadmi Party, must state direct questions. It is their right to not answer it, but how can they not allow you to enter and ask questions?
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. Whenever we have broken a story, wherever there has been an expose, Aam Aadmi Party has always blocked Times Now reporter. They have not answered our direct questions. Again, for you, I'll try to get inside the party headquarters to seek reaction from Durgesh Pathak, whose name has cropped up in this investigation as far as this is concerned. We are getting to know that Aam Aadmi Party MLA, Durgesh Pathak, whose name has cropped up, is in fact sitting outside the party headquarters. And we'll try and go and get his reaction. बाहर क्यों? हम मीडिया से हैं. क्यों? क्यों नहीं है अलाउ? किसने ब्लॉक किया?
ब्लॉक कर दिया है, अलाउ नहीं है आपका.
क्यों नहीं है? हम दुर्गेश पाठक अंदर है, हम बात करने उनसे जा रहे हैं. So his name has cropped up that.
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
हम दुर्गेश पाठक से पूछने जा रहे हैं. उनका नाम आया है, ईडी ने यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री को लिखा है.
Live on national television. Tell them they are live on Times Now.
You are live. You are going live.
आप मीडिया टीम से बात करेंगे ना मैडम.
हाँ, तो
ऑफिस में अंदर एंटर ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हैं एकदम से?
क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हम वो अंदर बैठे हैं, हम उनसे बात करने हैं.
हमारा अंदर काम चल रहा है,
तो आप हमें नहीं जाने देंगे अभी अंदर?
बात कीजिए ना मेरे से आगे.
नहीं, पहले हम दुर्गेश पाठक, जिनका नाम आया है ईडी के
काम चल रहा है, मतलब मेन ऑफिस में एंट्री कैसे कर सकते हैं? आप मीडिया टीम में आके बात कीजिए, मीडिया टीम से बात कीजिए.
मीडिया टीम से हमें बात नहीं करनी है, हमें दुर्गेश पाठक से बात करनी है. हमें आम आदमी पार्टी के मिनिस्टर्स, एमएलए से बात करनी है.
आप उधर जाके बात कीजिए ना.
No, where is the media team? Ask him where is the media team. What is this media team business of the Aam Aadmi Party?
हम क्यों उनसे डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर सकते? He has been elected by the people. Why can't media speak to him?
चल रहा है, पार्टी का काम चल रहा है. आप ये कैसे अंदर कैसे घुस रही है पार्टी ऑफिस के किसी के बीच?
अच्छा, आप बोल रहे पहले आके हम मीडिया से बात करें, फिर आप हमें ब्लॉक कर देंगे.
बाइट लेना,
फिर आप हमें हम बात
कैसे घुस सकती हैं? बंद आप ये तो
This is going live on TV. आप कैमरा मत छूइए प्लीज.
आपका ऑफिस नहीं है
ये पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव
misbehavior caught on television. The party that calls itself the Aam Aadmi Party is down to this behavior, and this is not the first time. Look how they are misbehaving with a female colleague. The guard assaulting our team there. People should take note of this. Our camera crew, our reporter Akanksha, they're being assaulted by the Aam Aadmi Party workers, all caught on national television. We are not taking any break. We are staying on this story. Bhavtosh Singh, what kind of behavior is this? The high-handedness, this sense of entitlement of the Aam Aadmi Party, all caught on camera and for the world to see. Look at the way they pushed the camera person. They were misbehaving with Akanksha. Okay, so they've not just broken our camera, they've also stopped the team from rolling live. Remember, everything was being broadcast live. Akanksha entered the Aam Aadmi Party office in her third or fourth attempt. And while she was trying to get inside the main building, people came, started arguing with her. And then the ruckus that you saw, it came down to heckling, attacking the camera person, and the women colleague also not spared. This guy who looks like a security guard, wearing a cap, and the other person in red t-shirt. Look at how they are manhandling the team. This is assault, and this is not the first time that the Aam Aadmi Party is doing this with Times Now crew. After we broke Sheesh Mahal, the same fate. Okay, we'll try and go to Akanksha, but viewers will have to take a short break. We come back with these pictures and this big disclosure. Operation Black Dollar broadcast on Times Now. You don't want to? Okay. Let's stay on it. Let's get a team of reporters. Bhavtosh Singh, Priyank Tripathi, Mohit Bhatt, Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, Ankit can also come into the news pit. Let's talk about this. Let's open call-in lines on this. What is this behavior? Let's dial our political panelists that we have. Let's get reactions from other parties. This is high-handed behavior. This is arrogant behavior, all caught on camera. Now, this is not just in the realm of imagination. For good 20 minutes, Akanksha was telling us that she was not allowed inside the Aam Aadmi Party office. When I asked her that let's pursue this a little more, why don't you walk inside through the gate? Look what they did to Akanksha. Akanksha was pushed, the team heckled, and our camera broken by these goons who are inside the Aam Aadmi Party office. There is no other way to describe what is happening, viewers. This is criminal behavior. This is not how you deal with media. If you can't answer a questions, that's okay. Navika Kumar, our group editor-in-chief, will also be joining us shortly. But just look at these pictures. This exposes the Aam Aadmi Party. If they have nothing to hide, why are they attacking Team Times now? Why was Akanksha and a video journalist heckled? Why was the camera broken? Who will answer this? Mr. Kejriwal, are you watching this? Is this the kind of model that you promised to deliver? Which bit is for the Aam Aadmi Party? We are breaking a story that is in public interest. The Aam Aadmi Party, instead of answering question, is resorting to abject hooliganism. Hooliganism is the word, viewers. This is more than just heckling. This is criminal behavior, and all this has been caught on camera. I'm actually scared, worried about the fate of Tejshri and our video journalist. Will they be allowed safely, a safe passage? Navika Kumar, our group editor-in-chief with us. Navika, Times Now crew attacked, our camera broken inside the Aam Aadmi Party office.
Well, this is the manner in which, for the second time, the Aam Aadmi Party has behaved with Times Now. Earlier, when Sheesh Mahal was exposed, Aam Aadmi Party had put in jail our reporter Bhavna Kishore. This time around, Akanksha and our video journalists have been manhandled and slapped. And I just want to say this to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, please control your media coordinators and your goons that work in Aam Aadmi Party. Any reporter, any video journalist of Times Now, if they touch them, if they so much as touch them, you will have the wrath of the entire public of Delhi to bear at this point in time. And this is not an empty threat. This is a journalist speaking for her fellow journalists and an entire team that sits in this room. All of us who sit here, each one of these journalists, you will have to face the questions that we have, because we don't use the goon tactics that you do and your party does, but we have questions which we will continue to hurl at you, right. Questions that you will need to answer.
We will name and shame these people, Navika, because like you said, this is not the first time. After Operation Sheesh Mahal, Times Now crew was attacked, abused, heckled outside the Chief Minister's residence. Akanksha is thankfully safe to narrate what she went through. Akanksha,
can you give us a sense of what happened there, the sequence of events?
Well, just a while back, we tried to go inside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, and as we went, they told us that we cannot meet Durgesh Pathak. We tried to tell them that he has been named by the Enforcement Directorate. They said we have to first meet the media management people of the Aam Aadmi Party and then go ahead. We told them that he is the public representative. He must answer. He's been elected by the people. And that is when they started heckling my camera person. They started snatching his camera, and they took away the wire and broke it. And then they started pushing him from outside this gate. And as we reached here, one of the person from Aam Aadmi Party, their worker, slapped him on his head. When I turned around and I told him, why are you hitting my camera person? You can't break our camera. He also broke the screen of the camera, the screen from which visuals can be seen. When I called that person, he turned around and he abused me as well. There's no fear of media. Time and again, when we try to approach Aam Aadmi Party for questions, when we ask them tough questions all the time, every time they heckle us, they heckle our camera person. Thankfully, I'm a woman, and that is why I was not pushed around by these party workers. But my camera person was heckled. He was slapped on the head. They all pushed him outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. They said that we cannot speak with Durgesh Pathak. We cannot directly go to him. I asked him this question: if he's been elected by the people, then he has to reply to people as to why he siphoned off the foreign funds, why it came to his bank account, and where did that money go. But we were not allowed to go inside. They said we cannot go because we have been blocked. And during Sheesh Mahal as well, our team was heckled. Our women reporter was also heckled by the Aam Aadmi Party, and this has been happening. But today, they've gone a step further. They slapped the camera person. They have
Now,
broken this
Navika, we've
LED
identified
screen off
this
a
man.
camera. They broke the
His
wire.
name is Vikas Yogi. He is the chief media coordinator of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party obviously deploying goons in its ranks who behave like this. This is assault caught on tape. Executive editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan also with us. Madhav, in your over 2 decades of career, have you ever faced anything like this? This is brazen arrogance, abuse of power of a different level.
Well, there's only one thing to that can justify this kind of lumpen behavior, at least in the minds of those who are carrying it out, and that is because they very clearly have no answer to the questions that Times Now is posing. Times Now's Tejshri has brought us this story with documentary proof, and that is a story that we are reporting on. All we were seeking was Aam Aadmi Party's version, to get their version of the story. If they did not want to speak, they can clearly say no comment, and that's the end of the matter. There is absolutely no need for them to engage in either this kind of physical abuse, breaking the camera and shouting and abusing at the reporter. This is something that is completely unacceptable as far as any political party or any political leader is concerned. Pradesh, we have seen in the past that various leaders, when questioned about their own acts of commission or omission, have of course tried to threaten, intimidate and heckle the media. In this particular case, our video journalist Radhakrishnan was also slapped by the same Aam Aadmi Party media cell workers, is what we are told, and that is what has made this an extremely shocking and unfortunate episode. While Aam Aadmi Party may be on the back foot on several issues, it certainly cannot take it out on the media, and this clearly is a sign of how desperate and how exposed the Aam Aadmi Party today stands. Yes, there may be investigations going on, and that's
Actions coming in. Madhav, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP joining us for more on this. Mr. Sirsa, this is criminal behavior by the AAP rank and file.
But what do you, what else you expect from them? इससे और आप उनसे क्या उम्मीद करते हैं इससे ज्यादा? तो है ही क्रिमिनल है, गुंडे हैं ये लोग, मवाली हैं ये लोग। तो भाई वो राज्यसभा के एमपी को पीट देते हैं, तो ये आपका तो एक प्रेस का की आपकी एक प्रेस रिपोर्टर है या कैमरामैन है, वो तो राज्यसभा के एमपी को घर बुला के पीटते हैं, वो तो चीफ सेक्रेटरी को घर बुला के पीटते हैं, अपने एमएलए को घर बुला के पीटते हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी गुंडे और मवालियों की पार्टी है। ये आपकी उनसे उम्मीद ज्यादा थी, आपको लगा कि वो सभ्य लोग हैं, वो सभ्य तरीके से आपसे पेश आएंगे, तो ये आपकी गलती। आम आदमी पार्टी की इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है, और वो क्रिमिनल लोग हैं और क्रिमिनल एक्ट ही करेंगे, और उनका काम रोजचर्या में ही, उनकी दिनचर्या इसी में निकलती है, गुंडागर्दी करने में, लूटने में, करप्शन करने में, औरतों से दुर्व्यवहार करने में, और इस तरह की सड़कों वाला मवालियों वाला काम करने में।
No, close on the heels of what has happened to Swati Maliwa. Look how Akanksha was manhandled, Mr. Sirsa.
I'm very sorry for Akanksha. हम अपनी इस बहन के लिए, बेटी के लिए हम चिंतित हैं, हमें दुख और अफसोस है, लेकिन हमें साथ में यह कहने को मजबूर हैं कि भाई उन्होंने तो जो उनकी अपनी राज्यसभा की एक एमपी थी लेडी, उन्होंने तो उसकी इज्जत का ध्यान नहीं रखा, उसके कपड़े तार-तार कर दिए, उसकी इज्जत तार-तार कर दी। हमें बहुत खेद है, दुख है।
And Mr. Sirsa, I can tell you this, with some amount of authority, that had this not been caught on live TV, they would have done much worse to our crew. And then they would have, leaked 30 seconds of the clip to say that nothing happened. Which is why I wanted to expose the Aam Aadmi Party on live TV. We asked Akanksha to enter the Aam Aadmi Party office, and we saw what happened. Mr. Sirsa, thank you for joining us. Sabyasachi has reached the Aam Aadmi Party office. Times Now will not relent in our pursuit of the truth. Sabyasachi, Akanksha was manhandled, our video journalist assaulted, heckled, our camera broken.
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. You see, this sort of behavior from the Aam Aadmi Party is completely unacceptable. On one hand, where our reporter Akanksha was the Aam Aadmi Party people, the party workers misbehaved with her, and the VJ was assaulted. We'll try to speak with the VJ. Radhe ji, आप बताएं क्या हुआ exactly?
एक्चुअल हम लोग यहाँ से सीधे अंदर जा रहे थे। मैडम ने पूछा कि दुर्गेश जी कहाँ पे हैं, तो उसमें से 3 4 5 लोग ऐसे हैं जिसे पकड़ के मारना चालू कर देंगे। मेरा पीछे से बार बार लाइव पकड़ के खींचा उन्होंने। फिर मैंने कहा कि हम निकल रहे हैं, पहले बात तो कर रहे हैं। तो वो बात करते करते उन्होंने क्या किया कि पहले ये डिस्प्ले पूरा ये यहाँ से उखाड़ दिया, ये पूरा टूट गया है। और केबल जो है ना वो पड़ी हुई है, वो इन्होंने खींच के पूरी फेंक दी। मुझे पीछे से खींचते लेके आ रहे, मैं गिरते गिरते बच गया। अच्छा, इन्होंने बीएनसी केबल खींच के मारी मेरे सर में।
तो सर पे भी आपको मार
सर पे यहाँ पे बीएनसी केबल, ये क्या कनेक्टर टूटा हुआ है, ये मेरे सर में लगा। दूसरा कनेक्टर का पार्ट पता नहीं कहाँ गिरा जाके।
Well, Pranesh, you can see that the display of the camera is completely broken. We'll speak to Akanksha. Akanksha, what happened? You were just doing your job, you were asking questions, but we had seen that this has been the behavior from the Aam Aadmi Party from day one.
Well, as far as Sheesh Mahal is concerned, that time we saw how our team was attacked. Bhavna was heckled, and today we were heckled as well. I told them when I went inside that this is going live, and they knew that this wire is there, and they pulled this wire, and that's how I live got disconnected. After we came out, our video journalist Radha Krishnan was slapped by the team, and when I turned around and asked them as to why they hit my camera person, they abused me as well. I don't know the name of that person, but he was short-heighted, and I can recognize him if he comes here. But he turned around, abused me, he slapped my camera person, he broke this, he along with the 10 others also pushed him outside the party headquarters. Now look at the visuals here. They have entirely closed the gate of the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. This is how much they are afraid of tough questions, because we know for a fact that Durgesh Pathak is currently inside. We wanted to ask him question as to why about his involvement in this foreign funding thing, but we were not allowed.
Akanksha, we can see that they are actually guarding the party office out here. You can see on your screen around 7 to 8 people who are standing inside the gate of the Aam Aadmi Party office are actually...
Stay with us. More reactions now. Joining us on Times Now, Operation Black Dollar has completely unnerved the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Kejriwal has unleashed the full force of the goons present inside the Aam Aadmi Party who manhandled Akanksha and assaulted our video journalist, broke Times Now's camera. Brinda Adige with us. Miss Adige, what do you want to say?
This is unbecoming of anybody, and least of all a political party. Workers of the political party like AAP have no right to do this to journalists, for that matter to anybody else. They can refuse, they can say we don't want to speak, they can say that I have no comments, whatever it might be. But manhandling is a criminal offense. A case will have to be registered on them. Why is it that they are behaving in this kind of a manner? This is atrocious, criminal, atrocious, unacceptable.
Abha Singh is also joining our broadcast. Abha Singh, thank you for speaking to us. Times Now crew abused, assaulted, heckled our female reporter. Akanksha manhandled by this man wearing brown shirt. His name is Vikas Yogi. Behaving like an absolute goon.
They're very shameful, and I think it's very disgusting also, because when you are in the public field, you are in the public domain.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Just coming to you, 30 seconds. Action outside the AAP office. Sabyasachi.
Well, absolutely. See, right now Akanksha is going to call 100, and we are going to inform the police, the Delhi police, about exactly what happened, how a crew was heckled, how a video journalist was assaulted in front of the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters.
Welcome to 112 emergency service. Press 8 for assistance.
हेलो, मैं आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ। मैं आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के सामने से बोल रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे साथ बदतमीजी की गई है और मेरे कैमरा पर्सन के साथ भी बदतमीजी की गई है आम आदमी पार्टी वर्कर्स के द्वारा। मैं अभी आम आदमी पार्टी हेलो
नाम क्या आपका?
आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ मैं, आकांक्षा खजूरिया।
आकांक्षा खजूरिया
जी।
कहाँ पे हो आप?
आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर। हेलो
एक मिनट। आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर
The address.
आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के अंदर बदतमीजी की गई है, मुझे गाली निकाली गई है, मेरी कैमरा पर्सन के सर पे मारा गया है और उसको धक्का मार के बाहर निकाला गया है आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता के द्वारा। तो आपकी जो भी पीसीआर जो भी है आप प्लीज यहाँ जल्दी भेज दीजिए।
आप न्यूज रिपोर्टर हो ना?
हाँ मैं न्यूज रिपोर्टर हूँ, मैं टाइम्स नाउ से बोल रही हूँ, न्यूज रिपोर्टर, और मेरे साथ मेरे कैमरा पर्सन है। हाँ जी।
आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने
बदतमीजी की है, मेरे कैमरा पर्सन को मारा है और मुझे गाली दी है।
हमारा कैमरा तोड़ दिया। आकांक्षा डिटेल
कैमरा तोड़ दिया है हमारा।
आपके साथ एब्यूजिंग की है और कैमरामैन के साथ
कैमरामैन को मारा है, धक्का दिया है और उसका कैमरा तोड़ दिया है।
पुलिस स्टेशन कौन सा लगेगा यहाँ पे?
सॉरी,
अब पुलिस स्टेशन पता है आपको कौन सा लगेगा?
पुलिस आपके यहाँ कोई पीसीआर होगी तो आप भेजिए, पहले यहाँ पे भेजिए। हाँ प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी भेजिए, यहाँ पे आसपास कार्यकर्ता भी हैं।
ओके मैडम, भेज रहे हैं।
कितनी देर में आएगी पीसीआर वैन?
मैम जल्दी भेज देंगे।
हाँ प्लीज जल्दी भेज दीजिए।
जी
थैंक यू।
ओके मैम।
This was important, Sabyasachi. It was important to inform the police because what has been caught in camera is nothing but criminal behavior, criminal assault, intimidation, whatever you want to call it.
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. See, it is very important to inform the police exactly what happened. See, it is clear criminal intimidation by the Aam Aadmi Party workers. We were just asking question based on facts. See, Durgesh Pathak, as Akansha we have seen in the visuals, was asking that Durgesh Pathak is a public representative. He has to come out and answer to the question that the public wants to know. Akansha, we had seen that whenever we try to question Aam Aadmi Party or any sort of issue that they are involved in, we had seen that this sort of behavior could be seen. They are either they would close the gate in front of us, they won't allow us to go inside, none of the party workers will come out or the representative will speak to us.
Well, absolutely, Sabyasachi, you see, this is not the first time that this has happened to us. Be it Cheech Mahal now, be it this expose that we carried out. As you can see behind me, the gates have been closed. Earlier, this small gate was open, but now it is completely closed by them. In fact, what is very funny right here is we were earlier trying to record from this small area, but now they've covered it with paper. And all the other areas that you can peep from have been covered by the Aam Aadmi Party workers, and they all are standing here guarding the area so that we are not able to go inside and ask tough questions to Durgesh Pathak. His name has cropped up in the complaint. He is an elected public representative. He is the Aam Aadmi Party MLA elected by the people. He must ask, he must in fact answer as to why his name is there. Why did he siphon off the foreign funds to his benefit? These are the questions that we were going to ask him, and we were simply going inside. What was the reason to heckle my camera person? He was pushed, he was slapped, his live view, the wire was taken away. This is what they did. When I turned back and called the person,
what is shocking is that they are abusing a female reporter who's just doing her job on duty. You are abusing somebody.
I tell you what is more shocking is that the man knew that he was on national TV, but he still did not care. Just tells you about the mindset, and this will only force people to think what could have or what might have happened with Miss Maliwal when she was inside the Chief Minister's residence. Absolutely criminal behavior on part of this man, Vikas Yogi, and there were others also. The guard wearing a cap who was abusing and heckling, assaulting the camera person. You see that moment when the camera was broken by the Aam Aadmi Party leader. Who will answer for this? Will Sanjay Singh hold a press conference? Will Atishi come and hold a press conference? Because there are no two versions in this. There is only one version, a reporter, a channel trying to do its job in public interest. We were discussing Operation Black Dollar, and look what the Aam Aadmi Party unleashes its thugs and goons who sit inside the Aam Aadmi Party to do this, to assault the media.